Hi there, I'm Heather Bling and I'm the founder of the Bling Club, and I'm here to tell you all about my fabulous jewelry and show you how to get your bling without breaking the bank. Fans, how are you today? I'm Heather Bling and I'm here to tell you all about our jewelry and how it's guaranteed not to snag on your clothes or not to snag on your hair. Yes, you heard it right. How many of you girls have put on a piece of jewelry and you have long beautiful hair, maybe have like a little outfit or something, and it just catches, or maybe you go like this with your hoop earrings and you get stuck and it's this, help me, you need to be rescued. Guess what? I'm here to help you and to save you from all of those hassles. I truly do guarantee that all of our jewelry is guaranteed not to snag on your clothing or your hair. How do I do that? Well, it's really very simple. You see, I have long, beautiful blonde hair. I literally take every single piece of jewelry and I run it through my hair to make sure that it's not going to snag. And if it catches on any little itty bit, guess what? We don't carry it. So that way you can just buy and not have to worry if it's going to catch on your clothes, catch on your hair. And I'd like to show you some examples of how this truly is possible. All right, so the first piece that I want to show you is our long teardrop pendant. Look at all of that bling, right? Lots of bling, and you would think that this is going to catch on your clothes, it's going to catch on your hair. Watch, I promise. Look, nothing. I couldn't catch this in my hair in a million years if I wanted to. How many pieces of jewelry do you have that you can say that about? And yes, it is absolutely gorgeous. So what we do is basically every piece is set, channel set with all the stones so that there's no prongs, no clips, nothing to catch. All right, let me show you another piece. Look at this beautiful cuff bracelet. This is vegan leather. It's super soft. And look at all that sparkle. Like, it just looks like an accident waiting to happen with like a snaggy dress or your hair or something. Watch. I even have a ponte knit, like a knit dress on, kind of like a BB dress. Look at this. Nothing. Won't snag, won't catch. It is absolutely fabulous. Bangles. Love bangles. We got some crystals here. Look. No catching. Whew. Awesome. And of course, everybody loves hoops. As I showed you before, no catching. Look. Whew. They're all channel set. All inside, outside. Crystals on the outside, crystals on the inside. And they are channel set without any prongs, so they are not going to catch, and you have nothing but sparkle and fun. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkling day. Bye. To tell you all about Afterpay today. We offer Afterpay at TheBlingClub.com to help you in even better ways to get your bling without breaking the bank. How does it work? Well, it's really very simple. You make your purchase, and Afterpay automatically breaks it into 4 equal payments, and they're billed every 2 weeks. So let's say, for example, you'd like to get one of our flying butterfly rings. Wow. So our butterfly rings are $60 on the site, but what's even better, you can use Afterpay and you can still use our discount code. So if you click on the page where the butterfly ring is and say, save 20% now, the butterfly ring comes down to $48. You go to checkout, you click checkout with Afterpay, you pay only $12, that's right, $12. We send you the ring within 24 hours, and then you get 3 more payments 2 weeks after that. How awesome is that? Woohoo! No more waiting for payday to get your bling. You can just get your bling without breaking the bank, and on top of it, there's no credit charge and no credit check and no finance charges. How amazing is that? Wow. All right, so let me give you some other examples. Our Starburst pendant that I'm wearing is super popular. You can slide it up and down. It is absolutely stunning. It's about $40 with the 20% off, which means $10 now, and then you check out and it's 3 more payments every 2 weeks of $10, and it's all yours. Something else, our beautiful magnetic pave crystal cuff. Look at that. Whew. Again, about $10 down and 3 more payments of $10, and it is all yours. And you know what's even cool? Afterpay even finances the tax and the shipping charges for you. So we have free shipping over $19.95, but say you wanted to upgrade to our premium shipping, that'll even go into your Afterpay payment. It is absolutely amazing. And again, don't forget, no credit check and no finance charges. I'm going to show you one more piece that a lot of people are using Afterpay for. Our set of 3 stainless steel crystal bangles. These are absolutely stunning. Again, they don't catch in your clothes or your hair, just like all of our jewelry. You save $50 when you buy the set. So with Afterpay, it's $25 down and then 3 payments of about $25 every 2 weeks. And again, no credit check, no finance charges. So Shop at TheBlingClub.com, get your bling without breaking the bank, and use Afterpay, and you can have all this fabulous jewelry and not have to wait until payday. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkling day. Bye.